Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how to cook pan-seared eggs. This is probably the best egg I have ever tried in my life. It is crispy outside and tender inside, nicely braised with the flavor of ginger. Very delicious. Hope you will like it too. So now let's start cooking. We first need to boil some water. Put the eggs into the pot while the water is still cold. Be gentle, don't break the eggs. After around 10 to 15 minutes, the eggs are cooked. Now we can put the eggs into cold water. Peel the shell off. Give each of them a few cuts like this. Prepare the pan and add some cooking oil to it. Put the eggs into the pan. Fry the eggs until they get brown on the outside. Now add some water to it. Add 1 spoon of soy sauce, 2 spoons of dark soy sauce, some sugar, and some ginger. Wait until it boils, then we can cover the pan and let the eggs cook for around 15 minutes. Turn off the heat and take the eggs out. In the end, add some sesame seeds onto the top. It is ready. This is today's cooking recipe. If you like it, please click the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks a lot and I'll see you guys soon.